Yeah, not biting at all. Hey, welcome to Rusty Bow. Last week I broke an arrowhead. This week gonna make another fit the same shaft, try it again. So stay tuned. Okay, brand new Arrowhead. Didn't want to waste the bronzesmith's coals after he was done, so made one to replace the one I broke last week. Gonna clay it up. Okay, it's clayed up, and it's a sloppy job, but it is clayed up. And I think I have just enough coals to harden. Yeah, this is a weird one. It tested magnetically, and I'll check the hardness of the edge in a moment. But yeah, this one, I think it's got a Honda, but it's a little less well defined, but that's okay. Yeah, not biting at all. So that's good. Certain sound it makes, and it's like that too. So that's good and hard. Okay, so what we have here is a new Arrowhead, and we are going to send it down 35 yards range. Okay, it's the right height, just off to the right. So and just because I want to see where it landed, and I want to drag you along for that search, and there it is, right there. All right. Well, it wouldn't be a show without a little drama, right? See how this goes. Nailed it. All right, let's go take a look at that. Okay, so the real drama comes in how hard it is to pull this out of here. But it did go in up to the fletchings. So let's see if we can look in the back here and see how it's angled. Front looks good. I'm going to have to turn it though. There we go. And point looks pretty good. Another one? All right. Okay. Let's go look at that. But let's see. Okay, so looking here where it's going here. And I'm going to turn it to there we go. Okay, good order. Okay, so let's take one last shot for the gold. Nope. That stuck somewhere. Let's go look at that. Well, I knew 3 in a row was asking a bit much. Okay, it's right there, which means it's stuck in the... There it is, right there. Okay, this is going to be tricky. To be continued. Alright, well the point seemed to be okay after that, so... Alright. Again, one last time, hopefully. Well, I hit it, but it kind of hit it on the top and then rocked out. So I'm going to just see if it actually stuck in before it rocked out. Alright, so I think I see what happened. Looks like it hit right there. That looks pretty new. So there's the arrow. I think it hit like that, went up, and then fell out. So hey, we'll count that. So yeah, we'll count that. So cool. Well, it's nice to see it. My arrow didn't land where arrows go to die. So happy. Hey, hope you had a good week. I will see you on the other side of this one. You stay well. Be good.